Okay, so what if your co-writer wasn't actually a person, but a ghost? Today we're diving into a really fascinating new tool for authors that basically acts as your own personal writing partner, and it lives right inside your web browser. Let's get into it. It's a pretty cool question, isn't it? I mean, just imagine getting past that dreaded blank page, having an assistant do all the heavy lifting of that first draft. But, and this is the important part, one that follows your instructions to the letter. You stay in complete creative control. That's the big idea we're going to unpack today. So, why would an author even need a ghost in their machine? Well, to answer that, we have to look at a struggle that's pretty much universal. For anyone writing a novel, the biggest headaches are keeping the world consistent, making sure the structure holds together, and of course, maintaining total control over where the story is actually going. And here's where the problem really lies. Most modern AI tools, they're built to surprise you, to throw out brand new, unexpected ideas, which can be fun. But when you're deep into drafting a novel, you don't really want surprises. You need a tool that's going to consistently and reliably execute your vision. So what's the solution to this? Well, meet writergeist. It's not trying to be some magical idea machine. It's positioned as a reliable, predictable ghostwriter, a totally new kind of partner for getting that draft done. Yeah, this image really gets to the heart of it. The goal isn't to replace you, the author, not at all. It's about having this dedicated assistant right there with you, ready to fill in the pages based on your grand design. It's a tool for execution, not just random inspiration. Let's get super specific about what this thing actually is. Offline means it runs privately, right on your own computer, no internet needed. Deterministic? Okay, that's just a fancy word that means it's predictable. The same inputs will always give you the same output. And book builder? That means its purpose is laser focused, taking your plan and turning it into a full first draft. So, how does it all work? Well, the whole process is designed to be really simple. It breaks down that massive, intimidating task of writing a book into 3 totally manageable steps. Let's walk through them right now. It's a really logical flow. First, you define the core DNA of your story. Second, you generate a structured plan, your blueprint. And third, you turn that blueprint into actual prose. See? Simple. All right, step 1 is the setup. The whole interface is about making clear choices, not trying to figure out some complex, magical prompt. You pick a genre, you define your heroes and villains, and you set a unique seed number. Now, this is the secret sauce. It's what guarantees you get consistent results every single time. Okay, so once your setup is locked in, we move on to step 2. You just click a button and boom, writergeist generates this structured outline. This literally becomes your book's blueprint, laying out the entire story arc based on the characters and the world you've already defined. And finally, step 3 is the expansion. This is where you take that detailed outline and generate the actual prose for your book. And the key here is that you get to choose the prose depth, so you can decide if you want a light sketch, a medium draft, or a really heavy detailed version. It's just another powerful layer of control for you. This whole 3-step process is built on a really clear philosophy that honestly sets it apart from pretty much everything else. Let's dig into what makes Writergeist so different. Okay, this slide just lays it all out. On one side, you've got the usual cloud tools. You need an internet connection, you have to become a prompt engineer, and they're built to give you surprises. On the other side, you've got Writergeist's approach, totally offline, driven by simple choices you make in the UI, and designed from the ground up to guarantee consistency. You always know what you're going to get. So what does this actually mean for you, the author? Well, being 100% offline means your work stays private, period. And it's fast. Being deterministic means you can tweak one tiny detail and see exactly how it changes the story, which is perfect for controlled revisions. And being author-friendly just means you get to focus on storytelling, not on learning how to code or write crazy prompts. When you put all this together, it all points to one main benefit, which, let's be honest, is the most important thing for any creator, having complete control over your work and the freedom to use it however you want. It's really important to know that when you get Writergeist, you're not signing up for some online service. You're buying a tool. The whole package is a single HTML file, all the controls we've talked about, the ability to download your entire book, and a lifetime license to use it. And this might be the most critical point of all. For any author who wants to publish, ownership is everything. It's non-negotiable. And the policy here is simple. The output is yours. You have full commercial rights to edit it, publish it, and make money from it. It belongs to you. Full stop.
The price really reflects this whole philosophy of being a simple, standalone tool. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. It's just a single, one-time payment of €19.
And I gotta say, in a world that is just dominated by monthly subscriptions, this model is, well, it's a breath of fresh air, isn't it? You buy the tool once, and it's yours to use forever. No gotchas, no ongoing costs.
And that really just says it all. The Ghost does the heavy lifting. You stay in control. This is a tool designed to serve the author, to handle that tough, laborious task of drafting while making absolutely sure the creative vision and the final say always stays with you. So think about it. What could this kind of control mean for your next project?